Welcome to our exploration of cloud computing essentials. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, businesses are increasingly turning to the cloud for their data and application needs. Let's delve into the benefits and key concepts of cloud computing. Point 1. Cloud Computing Overview. Cloud computing allows users to access computing resources over the internet, such as storage, processing power, and software applications, without the need for on-premises infrastructure. This flexibility enables businesses to scale their operations quickly and efficiently. Point 2. Scalability and flexibility. One of the key benefits of cloud computing is scalability. Businesses can easily adjust their computing resources based on demand, whether scaling up during peak periods or scaling down during quieter times. This flexibility ensures optimal resource utilization and cost efficiency. Point 3. Cloud storage. Cloud storage provides a secure and reliable way to store and access data over the internet. By leveraging cloud storage services, businesses can eliminate the need for costly on-premises storage infrastructure and benefit from features such as data redundancy, automatic backups, and seamless data access from anywhere. Point 4. Software as a Service, SaaS. SaaS, or Software as a Service, allows users to access software applications hosted in the cloud on a subscription basis. This model eliminates the need for businesses to install, maintain, and update software locally, reducing IT overhead and streamlining software deployment and management. Point 5. Cost savings. Cloud computing offers significant cost savings compared to traditional on-premises infrastructure. With pay-as-you-go pricing models, businesses only pay for the resources they use, eliminating the need for upfront hardware investments and reducing operational expenses associated with maintenance, upgrades, and energy consumption. Point 6. Enhanced collaboration. Cloud computing facilitates collaboration and remote work by providing centralized access to data and applications from any location with an internet connection. This enables teams to collaborate in real time, share documents, and communicate seamlessly, increasing productivity and efficiency. Point 7. Cloud security. Security is a top priority in cloud computing. Cloud service providers implement robust security measures to protect data from unauthorized access, breaches, and cyber threats. These measures include encryption, access controls, regular security audits, and compliance certifications to ensure data privacy and regulatory compliance. In conclusion, cloud computing offers numerous benefits, including scalability, flexibility, cost savings, enhanced collaboration, and robust security. By leveraging cloud services, businesses can streamline their operations, improve agility, and drive innovation in today's digital economy. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into technology and innovation.